What we want to do in this video is try to graph the function g of x is equal to 1/2 times x minus 3 to the third power plus 5. So if you have some graph paper in front of you, have a go at it, or even if you don't, just think about how you would try to graph this. All right, now let's work on this together. So this is really a transformed version of a function, let's call it f of x is equal to x to the third. And the reason why I know it's a transformed function is if I were to put a constant in front of x to the third, so if I were to say this is ax to the third, that's just scaling it, and that's analogous to what this 1/2 is. And then if I were to shift it to the right by 3, then I would replace the x with x minus 3 to the third. And then if I were to shift it up, that's what the plus 5 is. So g of x is just f of x, where I'm shifting it to the right by 3 and up by 5, and I'm scaling it by 1/2. So let's just work on that a little bit. So what does f of x equal x to the third look like? Well, f of 0 is 0, f of 1 is 1, f of negative 1 is negative 1, because negative 1 to the third is negative 1. And then f of 2 is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Be right over there. On this side, it kind of falls off. Let's see, negative 2 would be negative 8. So negative 2, negative 4, negative 6. You can't even see where I'm writing now. I'm off the screen. But the graph is going to look something like this. This is my best hand-drawn version of what it would look like. So you could view this as almost the parent function, and now we just need to transform it. And we can do this really, well, we could do the shifting in either order, but let's scale it first. So if we were to do 1/2 times this, so if we were to say 1/2, so let me write another function here, h of x is equal to 1/2 times x to the third. Well, h of 0 is still going to be 0, but h of 1, instead of it being 1, is now going to be 1/2. We have to multiply by this 1/2 here. Similarly, h of negative 1, instead of being negative 1, is going to be negative 1/2. h of 2, instead of it being 8, is now going to be half of that. It's now going to be 4. h of negative 2, instead of being negative 8, is now going to be negative 4. So h of x would look something like this. h of x is going to look like this. One way to think about it is x increases, it grows slower, and as x decreases, it decreases slower. That's what that 1/2 does. And now we want to shift it to the right by 3. So if we take what was this point 0, 0, we shift it to the right by 3, so we go there. So that's what that does. And then we shift it up by 5. That's what that plus 5 does for us. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What was at 0, 0 will now go there. And what was at 1, 1/2 is now going to, we'll go to the 1 to the right and then half up, and then 1 to the left and half down. That's analogous to this point right here. And then what was 2 to the right and 4 up, well, once again, from this point, we go 2 to the right and 1, 2, 3, 4 up, and 2 to the left and 1, 2, 3, 4 down. And the graph is going to look something like this. And you bear in mind, I'm just hand drawing it, so it's not going to be a perfect drawing. But there you have it. That is my best hand-drawn version of g of x right over there.